Hey everyone, are your audio or video calls in Messenger failing with the message call failed? This can happen due to network problems or missing app permissions. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step and get your calls working again. Let's get started. Before you begin, try restarting your device first. In many cases, simply rebooting your phone can fix the issue. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Test your internet by opening a browser or another app. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Messenger calls need a strong and consistent internet connection. Solution 2. Restart the Messenger app. Close the Messenger app completely. On Android, swipe it away from your recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app. Try making a call again. Solution 3. Update the Messenger app. Open the Play Store. Search for Messenger. If an update is available, tap Update. App updates often fix bugs that may be causing the issue. Solution 4. Check app permissions. Open your phone settings. Go to Apps or Application Manager. Tap on Messenger. Tap on Permissions. Ensure microphone, camera, and phone permissions are all enabled. Without these permissions, Messenger can't make calls. Solution 5. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone settings. Tap on Apps. Find and tap on Messenger. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Reopen Messenger and try calling again. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the call failed issue in Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Still facing problems? Drop your question in the comments and I'll try to help you directly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.